And welcome to westkelownaplumber.com. We're glad you could make it. If you need some help, just click on the contact forms and we'll reach out right away to help. If there's a question that you have, then check out our FAQ and tools and tips section. We'll answer every question that's come in so far, and if you have a question that we haven't answered, just put it into the form and we'll get to it as soon as we can and we'll get right back to you. Okay, folks, we hope you enjoy the site. If you need any help, we're standing by.